Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the widget surface and metadata so Android can host it. Create an App Widget Provider subclass and an XML App Widget Provider info resource that lists min width, min height, update period millis, and configuration activity. Once done, add the receiver entry with the metadata tag into Android manifest. XML so the system recognizes the widget. Make a compact remote views layout XML and include a landscape/portrait preview size. This establishes the core contract between your app and the launcher for widget lifecycle event. Now implement the how, wire interactions, and data in your app widget provider. On update, build remote views and set click handlers with pending intent for activities or broadcasts so the widget responds to taps. Use a background task, Work Manager preferred for reliability, to fetch data and call App Widget Manager. Update App Widget. Once done, manage lifecycle callbacks, on enabled to start recurring work and on disabled to cancel it. Make sure to update only changed views to minimize battery and UI thrash, and test with multiple widget instances concurrently. Finish by polishing configuration and verifying behavior on devices. If your widget needs user choices, implement a configuration activity that saves settings to shared preferences and calls Update App Widget. Test by adding and removing the widget, rotating the screen, and triggering manual updates via a DB or the launcher. If it fails to update, make sure battery optimizations aren't blocking background work. Confirm correct min width/min height values and inspect logcat for permission or exception errors. Fix crashes in on update to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.